finished in just a minute. Yeah.
Hey, what are you guys still doing here? You're supposed to be at a show now.
I'd like to introduce our lovely manager.
Yeah, she's usually not like this.
Yes, she's usually worse.
I heard that. Where is my limo?
I think it's
Good.
right there.
Okay, come on, guys. Please get in the car. Sorry, folks. We gotta go.
Make sure they're on this.
Chris, can you grab my black Les Paul?
Hey, wait a minute. We can't leave these people here like this.
We can't?
No.
Come on, you know how we feel about our fans.
Yeah.
That's right.
Well, guys, what do you expect me to do? Send them all with you?
Yeah.
Hey, Steven, how about some backstage passes?
Wait a minute. I love that idea. How about some backstage passes?
Oh.
Yeah, make it happen.
Make it happen. Come on.
Okay, I'll make it happen.
All right,
Now
all
get
right.
out of here.
You got it, you
I
got
hate
it.
all of you.
See ya. Have a nice ride.
Hi, Sal, it's me. Listen, I'm gonna need a bigger car. Make it a stretch. In fact, make it a super stretch. Great. Excuse me. Okay, folks. Look, the show is all the way across town, but I got you a really fast car. Okay, wait, thank
Hello, Los Angeles. Bill St. James here, broadcasting live from the Aerosmith concert. Seems like everyone in town is heading to this show, so there's traffic everywhere you go. But don't worry, we have this concert covered. Just keep it right here on LA's classic rock station.
Welcome back, VIPs. Exit to your...
We're only just getting started.